So friends, so now in this video, we are going to create view my order page. So it will let us after login, view my order page. Currently we don't have this page. So we are going to create this page. So here inside the user side, we are going to create one new file, view my order.php. And then we have to open again our demo page. We are going to copy this and we are going to just paste here. And here we are going to change, or we can use only my order. Right. So now here we can see my order. Now here we are going to take one table and we are going to load our order. So for that, first of all, here we have to add database connection string. So connection.php, and then here we have to write the conditions of session. So if not is set underscore session, then session start. Okay. We can use this line. Yes. Okay. Now let's check we are getting any error or not. So up to here there is no error. So now we can use table date. These two class, these two classes are from Bootstrap for responsive table. Yeah. Now we are going to change the heading, order number, then order date, order time, order address, order type, order status, order details. So just we take here heading. So now here we can see the heading. Now we have to load the order from our table, from our this table, order underscore main table. So now we are going to write a code for it. MySQLi underscore query, then dollar link, and here we have to write the query. See, let's start from order underscore main, where our table column is order username is equal to the underscore session user underscore username order by ID descending. Now let me explain this query. Why use here order underscore order username? Because if I log in as Amit, then I want to display only Amit's order. If you are going to log in with username A, then we want to display only the user A detail. That's why we pass here order username. Here we don't want to display all the records, but here we have to display only your records. That's why we use here order underscore username. Then we are going to take MySQLi number of rows $res. That also I'm going to explain you why we take this. Let me first write the code, then in last I will explain you, so you'll get a more idea. MySQL underscore fetch underscore array. Here we have to pass $res. Now echo tr equals slash tr, and now here we have to write td slash td, and now here we have to write our table folder name. So this is the first one. So here we are going to write $serial number. Yeah, here we are going to write order underscore number. This is the same name you have to write here, whatever in your MySQL table. Here you can see order underscore number. This is the column name. So you have to pass the same column name over here. Order number, then order date. Let me copy paste first. So only we have to change the column name. Okay, order number, order date. Then we have to take order time, order address, order type. Then we have to take order status. And now here we have to give link to display full order. So here I'm going to take href, and now here we are going to write order details. So now we have to create one page, order underscore details dot php, and then we are going to pass id from here. Yeah. So now let's check here. You can see I have two order with my name. That's why we can see over here my order. Now if I click on here order details, then currently this page is not available over here. That's why we can see a not found. So in next video I'm going to create one new page. There you can see the full order details. Now if you want to change here like this tr background color, how you can change. So I have one tool. Yeah, so now we can find this color. So this color hexadecimal value is A41 A13 A41 A13. Okay, background color has A41 A13. Let's see. No, something I did wrong. A41 A13. A41 A13. Okay. So now you can see we are getting the background color the same as the footer color. So now we have to change the font color. So for that also here we are going to use color white. Here you can see now it looks proper. Now here we are getting some problem because both serial number is 2. So here we have to do something like this. -1. Let's see now 2 1. So why I use this? Here you can see we have 10 orders. Then first we have to display 10, then 9, then 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So how we can get the how many total orders we have? So for that purpose we use this line. Using this we can get idea that how many orders in our tables with the name who is logged in. So currently I got here 2. So here we are displaying 2, then decrement. So 1, then display 1. So that's why we take this for display our serial number in descending order. That's why we take this. So in next video now we are going to create one page with the name order details. I hope you like this video and you understand that what is the mean this. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video then please like it and share it. Thanks.